Everybody, I am Kina Kraves and I am back with another video for y'all today. Y'all already know those regulars. If this is your very first time here, go ahead and hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button, y'all, and please click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And again, how y'all doing? How is everybody doing? Now y'all hungry? Woo! I am. Let's eat. All right, y'all. So, y'all, I have Wendy's. I have a bourbon bacon cheeseburger from Wendy's. I have their fries, and I also have some chicken nuggets from them. And I have a Whopper combo as well with cheese. Let's go ahead and say our grace, and then we can go ahead and eat, okay? Amen. I also got a Wendy's baked potato, which I'm going to try not to eat it because I really want to take it for lunch, but I love baked potato. I always seem to make room for it. Oh, this is my favorite drink from Wendy's. This is a pineapple mango, not pineapple. This is a mango lemonade, pineapple mango lemonade it is. And this came with a Coke, so I have 2 drinks. Okay, I'm gonna put this one on this side. What I want to do here? What I want to do? Let me open this up. This is sweet and sour. If I can get it open. Yeah, I might not be eating no doing sweet and sour. Dang, come on now. Oh boy. My nails too long. So I'm gonna cut it with this knife. Cause listen, at this point, that's stupid. But they put on this more Gorilla Glue. Woo! Damn. Okay. I meant dang. That's what I meant. I'm gonna put this down. Okay? Or am I? I always have to put it down. I'm gonna leave it like this so it won't be tilting and wiggling every which way. I'm gonna put just a little bit of ketchup over here too. Cause y'all, I do like ketchup. But I'm gonna hurry up and eat though, y'all. I ain't gonna never get them folks telling me hurry up and eat. Barbecue sauce for my chicken nuggets. I got that sweet and sour for the fries. But I need me a little bit of salt and pepper on my burger, y'all. Anytime I gotta get mayonnaise, mustard, and anytime I get tomatoes, it's a must. Y'all, I got a whole condiment bag down here. Y'all, I'm trying to get Gigi LaFleur back on here. She's been doing so good. Gigi, I'm so proud of you, y'all. That's my cousin. She has 3.1 million likes on TikTok. I know she almost at probably 100K for the followers, and she's been doing comedy shows. She's been winning comedy shows, y'all. That girl is really lit. I'm really proud of her. I'm really, really, really proud of her. We're on 2 opposite schedules, but we're gonna try to make this more work. And she's so funny. Okay, y'all. Y'all already know we done tried that, but let me go ahead and try this bourbon bacon. I love bourbon. I love bacon. It's sweet, just like I thought it would be. I love bourbon chicken. Y'all, really? Wendy's fries. Better than everybody. McDonald's used to have, I'm just spitting, I'm sorry. McDonald's fries used to be top tier. Not anymore. I'm so happy to be doing another video with y'all. I really am so happy. To be doing this video. Because it was last minute, I wasn't going to do one. Everybody barbecue sauce don't taste the same. They got good barbecue sauce here at Wendy's. Yeah, I watch. Let me tell y'all this though. The other day I was pronouncing my African friend channel name wrong. Her name is Glow Young. G-L-O Young. Not Flo Young. Glow, charge it to my head and not my heart. I'm going to mention you in this video. I love Glow Young channel. I do. I watch it every day. And y'all know I got my other phone. This phone right here. Y'all, some of y'all have seen I've been commenting from on Kina's Closet Clutter page. And y'all look. So, it's another African channel I watch. It's a lot of them. But another one I watch every day. I forgot his name. He just started his channel. He already booming. Glow too. People love to see folks eat that foo-foo, honey. I do. I'm one of them. Get me. I'm people. I'm people. And Jenny, ASMR, love her. Love her. Love her. And the Adim family. I don't know if you're saying Adim or it's A-D-I-M. Man, one day, y'all, they had this big old feast like on a long table. It was him and her, him and his wife. And, oh my God, they had chicken feet. They had everything. And the most satisfying thing they had to me, I mean, y'all, I wish I could show y'all everything they had. They had fufu. They had chicken feet. I had chicken like thighs. They had a plate like this with just chopped up onions. Like how it is on my burger, like this. That was the most satisfying thing. They would eat something and they would just eat the onion like. I love that. So satisfying to me. They do a lot of speed competition eating. You know, just them amongst their family. They got a big family. I think I got 6 children. And they speed eat fufu, albano soup, egusi soup, everything. Chicken feet, I love, listen. I love how they eat chicken. And Glow Young, I love how she eat chicken too. I eat the whole chicken bone, the whole everything. Love it. I don't know why. It just gives me a satisfaction just to hear it. Especially them chicken feet. Ace Eats, I forgot to mention your name the other day, baby. Ace Eats always supports us, y'all. I love her. And she's so pretty to me. And she's so pretty to me. Coco Ethnic Eats. I'm just shouting out people who I need to been shouted out. They always support me. Whether they be on my live, anything. They always support me. Yeah. I wanted to share with y'all this. So apparently, everybody's struggling. So baby, Shakira. I'm on tonight. Shakira is facing 8 years in prison and a $14 million tax fraud case. Who be putting these folks on? Because, baby, I ain't scared. Never scared. I'm just saying. You got the Krispy. Everybody trying to get them some money. Everybody. These people tired of being... These folks finna get them some money. I mean... I'm talking to the wrong people. I'm talking to the wrong people. Oh, who else I was telling? What's his name? Oh, Kev Eats ASMR. That's my dog, Shanette Nicole. Black Tatted Mama 3. She supports a lot, y'all. This is a new channel, a new sub for me. Diamond and Nook. Make sure y'all go sub up to them. Living Life with Lisa and TCG fam. It's somebody that I'm missing, y'all, and I got to give them their props because they always here for me. Oh, I could not say his name the other day, but his name is Ramseth Mukbang. Corrupt Al 125. That's bro for sure. He always looking out for a sister. Always. He has not been on a live, which is okay because he is on every video. For real. Just about. Dorian. Y'all know Mama Ray Ray. Mama Ray Ray in the kitchen love me and I love her back. Unique Speaks. Also a good channel. Is it Ebony Tania? Is that how you say her name? Ebony Tania? Chocolate Drop. M and K Eats ASMR. Praying Couple Series. Tay Weezy. Always on my live. This is top tier. Y'all work overtime this week. Let me tell you something. Every time, and I do mean every single time, I'm at work really tired. Can't wait to go home. I end up having to stay over. Every time. If I ain't got nothing to do, we sit there for an hour and a half, bored until time to go home. But when I'm ready to go, like so tired I can't hardly keep my eyes open, can't wait till 6 o'clock, I have to stay about 7:30 sometimes. And it's cool. But y'all, I'm just gonna bunk on out of here because when I stopped eating, I had to answer a phone call from my sister. It filled me up. But y'all know I'm on a diet anyway, so don't come for me. Y'all been doing good, you know. Still keep encouraging me, guys. I gotta rid of this high blood pressure. I gotta get rid of it now. Y'all want me to keep, you know. My children eat the rest of those. But stay crispy and crunchy, my Kravers. We are on the road to 2K, y'all. This year's almost over. As a matter of fact, Christmas almost here, y'all. What y'all gonna do for Christmas? My birthday, October. Y'all make sure y'all put it in your calendar. October 13th is Kina Kraves' birthday. Yes, y'all. I'm gonna be 42 years old. Do I look it? I'm gonna be 42 years old, y'all. So yeah, y'all, we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and get on up out of here because I got stuff to do. So stay crispy and crunchy, my Kravers. Make sure y'all keep telling a friend and tell a friend that we'll be over here getting it in. And we're about to be back getting it in every single day, I do believe, with just better food choices. Y'all, people are going to talk about you no matter what you do. It don't matter. You can please some of the people some of the time, but you cannot please all of the people all of the time. And it's okay, because the ones that mind, they don't matter, and the ones that matter, they don't mind. See y'all later. Bye-bye.